Hello there, YouTube, and welcome to the Nano Drill Press. To do the drill press, you have your base, which I have mounted down here to the desk. You take out your tailstock center. This unscrews. You take that out. You put your table on, which there's a set screw under here to keep this from turning. You also have your alignment screw, so this never turns. There's a groove in there. And to drill, it's the opposite of a regular drill press. You go up and down like that. We'll zoom in here a little bit. I don't know if it'll get grainy or not. Just have a center drill bit in there. And we'll pause and we'll show it in action a little bit here. We'll drill through a little, we got a piece of a aluminum plate, we'll make a couple holes in it. Move it a little bit closer here. Roll up your sleeves. The vise will set on here, but it offsets. So I have to custom make something if I want the vise centered. That is really odd to me. I can get the vise to show you, but trust me, I'll be drilling something someday and show it. I have to do some way to make my vise more centered. Because you can't turn this back and forth. You can't move this. It's all in line. We'll go where there's already a dimple. A little bit noisy, aluminum. Just where that center drill is made, it's a pretty aggressive bit. We'll just go in to get the tip to go in. And we'll do one more. Not meant to drill a hole. We're just grab this. And if you're going to use a longer drill bit, then you're going to have to lower this down like this. So you have to lower this way down to the bottom. You do have a height adjustment on here. These are the same handles you use to tighten your chuck on the lathe. Move your tailstock. You keep this loose, of course, right here. I have just a little bit of tension on it. It's not tight. That'd be tight. Just a little bit of tension on it. But there you have it. I'll include a couple pictures of it. And thanks for watching. There wasn't much to this part of it.